Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a crucial concept that can significantly impact your financial future: the power of compound interest. Whether you're new to investing or looking to optimize your returns, understanding compound interest is key. We'll explore what compound interest is, why it's so powerful, and practical steps to make it work for you. Let's get started. What is compound interest? First, let's break down what compound interest is and how it works. 1. Compound interest is the process of earning interest on both your initial principal and the interest that has already been added. Unlike simple interest, which is calculated only on the principal, compound interest grows exponentially because the interest itself earns interest. 2. How it works. Here's a detailed example. Initial investment, $1,000. Annual interest rate, 5%. Compounding frequency, annually. In the first year, you earn $50 in interest, $1,000 x 5%. By the end of the first year, your total amount is $1,050. In the second year, the interest is calculated on $1,050, not just the initial $1,000. So you earn $52.50 in interest, $1,050 x 5%, bringing your total to $1,102.50. 3. Compounding frequency. Compound interest can be calculated at different frequencies: annually, once per year; semi-annually, twice per year; quarterly, 4 times per year; monthly, 12 times per year; daily, 365 times per year. The more frequently interest is compounded, the faster your investment grows. For example, if interest compounds daily, you'll earn slightly more compared to annual compounding. Why compound interest is powerful. Let's dive into why compound interest is such a powerful tool for growing your wealth. 1. Exponential growth. Compound interest creates exponential growth because the interest earned each period is added to the principal, which then earns more interest. This snowball effect accelerates your wealth accumulation. For example, if you invest $1,000 at 5% interest compounded annually, in 30 years, it will grow to approximately $4,321.94. This is due to the power of compounding working over a long period. 2. Time is your ally. Time enhances the benefits of compound interest. The longer you leave your money invested, the more it will grow due to compounding. Starting early is crucial. For instance, if you start investing $200 a month at age 25, with an annual return of 7%, you could accumulate over $250,000 by age 65. However, if you start at age 35 with the same monthly contribution and return rate, you'd only accumulate around $100,000 by age 65. 3. The Rule of 72. The Rule of 72 helps estimate how long it will take for your investment to double. You divide 72 by your annual interest rate. For example, with a 6% annual return, it will take approximately 12 years, 72/6, for your investment to double. This rule provides a quick and easy way to gauge the effects of compounding. 4. Impact of small contributions. Even small, consistent contributions can grow significantly over time. For example, if you save $100 a month with a 5% annual return, your savings will grow substantially more than if you made a one-time investment of $1,200 without adding more. Regular contributions leverage compounding to build wealth faster. How to make compound interest work for you. To take full advantage of compound interest, here are practical steps you can follow. 1. Start early. Begin investing as soon as possible. Even if you start with a small amount, the benefits of compounding over time can be substantial. For example, starting with $500 and adding $100 per month at a 7% annual return will grow to approximately $40,000 in 20 years. Starting just 10 years later with the same contributions and return rate would only result in around $14,000. 2. Consistent contributions. Make regular contributions to your investments. Regular deposits, such as monthly savings or investment contributions, enhance the compounding effect. For instance, if you invest $200 each month in a fund with an 8% annual return, your investment could grow to over $100,000 in 20 years, compared to a one-time investment of $48,000 yielding only around $50,000 with the same return rate. 3. Reinvest earnings. Reinvest any interest, dividends, or returns you receive. By reinvesting, you ensure that your earnings also generate returns, accelerating growth. For example, dividends from stocks can be reinvested to buy more shares, which in turn generate more dividends. 4. Choose the right investment accounts. Select accounts that offer compounding interest. Options include high-yield savings accounts. Offer better interest rates than traditional savings accounts. Certificates of deposit, CDs, provide fixed interest rates and compounding benefits. Investment accounts. Use accounts like 400 and ONEX or IRAs that offer compound growth through stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. 5. Avoid withdrawals. Avoid withdrawing from your investments to maximize growth. Withdrawals reduce the principal and interest accrued, slowing down the compounding effect. For instance, withdrawing from a retirement account can decrease the future value of your savings and impact your retirement plans. 6. Understand compounding frequency. Opt for investments with frequent compounding. Daily compounding provides the most benefit, as interest is calculated and added to the principal more often. For example, if you have a savings account with daily compounding at a 4% interest rate, it will yield slightly more than an account with annual compounding at the same rate. 7. Use compound interest calculators. Utilize online compound interest calculators to estimate potential growth. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and strategies. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore more ways to boost your financial well-being. Until next time, keep investing wisely and let compound interest work for you.